And we start in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome, you big bloody beautiful legend. Someone told me I wear black white a lot. Like Karan, tu khali black and white pehanta hai. Like somebody messaged me. So you know what? Today fucking pink. Like this is pink. My T-shirt. Okay. Some of y'all are watching, not watching this on YouTube. Someone told me I wear black and white a lot. And my pictures also on Instagram. Hey, by the way, go follow me on Instagram. I'm wearing a black and white there. Everyone's like, Karan, yaar, come on, man. Do something cool, man. Be a little colorful in life. So I have a sofa behind me that is fucking pink. My fucking pillow covers today are pink. Everything is motherfucking pink. Like, fucking. God damn it. No, but on a serious note, man, I actually like color, bro. Dude, this is a very serious, like, conversation, okay? Like, I'm not joking. Colors are very weird. Like, I've been told by people that individuals who like black, white, grey, and like navy blue, and like these I don't know what the phrase is. I don't know what the term is for these colors, but like people who like these colors usually are very like they don't want to sway the boat too much in life, which is why they're like going with colors that are very like neutral. I was like, yo, I'm a rule breaker, okay? मैं हार्ट ब्रेकर हूँ रूल ब्रेकर हूँ ठीक है समझ रहा है I'm that guy who like अगर 8:05 को 8 o'clock को क्लास चालू होता है मैं 8:05 पे पहुँचता हूँ ठीक है तो समझ रहा है कि नहीं समझ रहा है हाँ बाद में भीख मांगता हूँ अटेंडेंस के लिए बट वो अलग बात है that's not my bad boy side that's my good boy side good boy in the streets bad boy in the sheets ठीक है तो समझ रहा है कि नहीं समझ रहा है that's the point. Bro, but on that fucking note, dude, I was thinking about it, man. Like this fucking attendance scene, man. Like I think school is different. Obviously, school you have to reach on time. Like otherwise, you're screwed and stuff like that. We had kids like who were like, oh no, bro. 9 o'clock school chalu hote. They used to reach by 9:05. And Jamnava was very strict about that timing scene, bro. Like you can't reach late. Like and it's fine. It's cool, man. Like you're not in like college where you're responsible for yourself. Like how I had people like I had friends who used to wake up at 8:30. Like Jamna Bhai is in Jew, so friends who used to live in Jew, they're like, I wake up at 8:30 and I go to school. I'm like, तू नहाता नहीं है? They're like, हाँ नहाता हूँ. Like तू 8:30 उठता है. Let's say your eyes open at 8:30, right? Okay, let's take this like, let's break it down bit by bit. You wake up at 8:30 on the dot. Let's say your eyes open. 8:30 exact. You wake up, bro. At least 30 seconds to a minute you need like to gather yourself. Like how can you just wake up and enter the shower? Like bro, if I wake up at 8:30, 20 minutes go into me getting out of bed. And not because even if I don't use my phone, like just fucking like figuring out what the hell is going on. Like आदमी उठता है पहले आजू बाजू देखता है कि भाई जिंदा हूँ नहीं हूँ सपना है नहीं है क्या सी what is the case, like what is going on, what is the current situation of life I am in right now. That takes a good 15 minutes irrespective of your checking your phone or not. It takes at least 10 to 15 minutes. Like I'm reducing the time because I've come to realize like if you're narrowing it down heavy, let's narrow it down by 10 minutes, right? Like 10 minutes take, like on the dot you take 10 minutes. 8:40, right? You wake up fully 8:40. Even if school is 5 minutes away, you have 15 minutes to take a shower, wear your clothes, and now like I don't know how you would come to school, but I fucking मैं तो टिप टॉप होके जाता था बाद में बाल सेट एकदम चटाक करके ऐसा बाल कंघी करके ऐसा शर्ट को इस्त्री प्रेस रहना चाहिए इस्त्री भी नहीं प्रेस समझ रहा है there's a difference between your shirt being ironed and shirt पे प्रेस होना चाहिए फर्क है दोनों में समझ रहा है कि नहीं समझ रहा है पॉइंट मूविंग ऑन I've noticed a lot of ladies have been listening to my podcast so I'm going to stop using these समझ रहा है कि नहीं तू नहीं समझेगा stuff like that I'm going to use you won't understand mademoiselle mother Mary समझ रहा है कि नहीं sorry man this is jokes man point being but yeah on that note where was I. Yeah, so imagine if you like 8:45 you are done with your shower also. 8:40 you get into the shower, you get out of the shower in 5 minutes, right? You're not, let's say you're not one of those people who takes a long shower like me. You're not one of those people. I take a shower for like a good 10 minutes. Like I don't waste water. Like I just like get into the bathroom. आदमी हकता है पहले 5 मिनट तो हकने में लगता है bro. Like you can't, like I'm sorry for being gruesome, you can't poop it all out in like 30 seconds to a minute, man. It's not possible. You need at least 5 minutes to like take a good peaceful shit. Like okay, 5 minutes you take a peaceful shit. चल you don't shit, assume तू हकता नहीं है, ठीक है, तू मतलब इतना कूल आदमी है कि पॉडी नहीं करता है तू, ठीक है. So now then you 5 minutes you're out from a shower. Now 8:45 you're out. You don't eat anything. Like तू एक तो ब्रश भी तू मतलब बाथरूम में ही करता रहेगा, क्या मालूम. Like ठीक है, मतलब obviously bathroom में, but नाते नाते is what I meant. Sorry, don't make fun of me. But yeah, let's say 8:45 you go for you come out of a shower in 5 minutes. All brush your teeth, everything. You've done everything in 5 minutes on the dot. Okay. After that, you're not going to eat for 5 minutes. Like you don't have a glass of milk. Like you don't have to pack your bag. See, if you're that fucked up organization wise that you're waking up at 8:30, you have to at least like have, like you're one of those people who doesn't pack their bags the night before. देख फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड के बाद बैग पैक मतलब ऐसा रात को किया नहीं है, ठीक है. देख फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड में मॉम करती थी पैक, ठीक है, टाइम टेबल देख के. उसके बाद फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड यू स्टार्ट पैकिंग इट योरसेल्फ, लुकिंग एट योर बैग, लाइक यू नो टाइम टेबल एंड पैकिंग योर बुक्स एंड ऑल. आई थिंक पोस्ट फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड लाइक आई हैवंट पैक्ड माय बैग द नाइट बिफोर. देन बिकॉज दैट इज योर आउटलॉ फेज इन लाइफ, ठीक है. बट कमिंग बैक again, 8:50 you 5 minutes you pack your bag. 8:55 you're out the door. Like bro, 5 minutes तो मेरा लिफ्ट आने में लगता है. चल ठीक है, तू बंगलो में रहता है, तू जू स्कीम वाला बंगलो वाला है, तू ब्रो आदमी जूता पहनेगा, मोजा पहनेगा, मतलब ऑल सेड एंड डन. लाइक हाउ कैन इट टेक यू जस्ट हाफ एन आवर टू लाइक get up, take a bath, do everything and come to school? Like it's, I don't know, man. It doesn't like, I don't think it fucking makes sense to me, bro. I used to wake up at 7:30 and still get late, still get yelled at, bro. You know, oh fuck. Okay, listen to this sound. Okay, this is the sound my mom used to make outside, like when I used to go for a bath and I used to get like late for school. Like she used to come to the bathroom and do this. Karan, get out. I don't know, man. Like, if you relate, this is fucking serious, dude. Like, my mom used to some thod, bang at the door. And she's like, Karan, get out of the bloody bathroom. Jungli sala. Nikal. Bar nikal. Maris taneu. And all that shit, dude. That I'm serious. This used to happen. Like, I don't know if this happens with everyone, but this at least in my house. Dude, it was horrible, man. It was absolutely horrible. Half an hour, like, no chance, dude. I need at least sorry guys, I had to sneeze like at least 5 times. Bro, I told you, right? This AC, dude, this AC is like, my AC wala came, okay, like for a, अभी देख winter था, ठीक है, Bombay winters aren't like the best, like they're not like winter, right? I get it, but at least like it was not, I don't really like I'm very much okay with like neutral weather. Like I don't need cold temperatures to like have a good night's sleep. My blanket is also like very thin. Like I'm not the person who like full room ठंडा करके ऐसा. I'm not the person like room पूरा ठंडा किया like 18-20 पे 20 degrees 18 degrees Celsius and like take a thick blanket and you know cocoon myself in. That's not me. Like I just like a nice even 25-26 temp, thin blanket and like smooth sailing, bro. Like I'm not the person to sway the boat. Like I like smooth sailing. Like I don't want two extremes in life and then meander through it. Just smooth sailing, peace. समझ रहा कि नहीं समझ रहा है? Yeah, fucking this AC wala had come, okay. Amarjeet, what a legend. Shout out to Amarjeet. I don't think he watches my podcast, but shout out to Amarjeet. No shit, he doesn't watch my podcast. But yeah, Amarjeet came. AC में मतलब you know gas खत्म हो गया था through the winters. Like it leaks, right? Like little, like no matter how new or old your AC is, little gas is going to leak no matter what. Like that is how, I mean, unfortunately the world of machines is, I suppose. But Amarjeet came and he was like, gas khatam ho gaya tha. This is like March 15th ish. Like till then I was fine. Like Feb also it was not cold, but I don't mind like cool temperatures. Like I love cool temperatures. Like I don't mind like I mean I could sleep with just the fan. Like I used to keep my window खाली मच्छर का जाली लगा के window खुला रखता था मैं. That's it. Like and I used to have a great night sleep. Like I used to love it actually. But Amarjeet came. He's like गैस खत्म हो गया. I was like cool गैस भर दीजिए. साला इतना गैस भरा है अमरजीत ने ब्रो अभी मतलब ठिठुर रहा हूँ मैं. It's so cold. He's filled gas like on another level. What the fuck was up with him? He's filled so much gas in the fucking AC. I cannot manage to like bro the temperature. I don't know if you like my AC temperature is at 26 right now. And I started sneezing because of how cold it's become. Like it's that wild. Like it's insane. Yeah, I've been sneezing like at least 5-6 times a day. Like right, so it's like it's hot through the day, and like the moment I realize, oh shit, it's piping hot. Let's turn the AC on. Like it's weird, but in the first like 10 minutes, I feel so cold. Like and I start sneezing. So I think it's the sudden change in temperature makes me feel so fucking cold. Like dude, I start sneezing heavily, dude. It's weird. But yeah, man, it's crazy. It's wild out here. We be out here hustling, man. In frigid zone, tundra region. Danger था bro. ऐसा tundra region सीखे अपन red soil, alluvial soil. Fuck bro. You know, I don't know anyone from ICSE. We had soils right as a chapter. What was it? I think soil was the chapter only. Fuck bro. 5 marks, 10 marks comes from that, like and shit like that. You get to choose. एक खाली MCQ था geography में. Agriculture nobody wanted to do because it was too tough. Shit like that. It was tough out there, man. Like it was fucking hustling, man. Like I was out there, bro. Can't help it, man. It's such is life. No, I can't do anything about it. But it was tough, bro. That soil chapter was really easy. Like we know alluvial सबसे lit चीज़ है मतलब alluvial soil is our top class. Ain't nobody fucking with alluvial soil, okay? Like alluvial soil is so lit. Like genuinely, it's in the northeast region of India and like somewhere in the northern regions also there's alluvial soil. It's said to be so fertile. If you drop like the phrase is you drop one seed and immediately a plant grows. क्या बात कर रहा है ऐसा? तो नेक्स्ट टाइम ऐसा मैं ग्रेप निकल गया और ग्रेप में सीड हुआ मैं हगा उधर की उधर ग्रेप का प्लांट ग्रो होना चाहिए. नहीं, I'm sorry man, I don't mean to disrespect soil, but yeah, ain't nobody fucking with alluvial soil, bro. Alluvial soil is top class shit, bro. Then comes like red soil. Red soil, I hate red soil because it's like it reminds me of red ants, and I fucking hate red ants, bro. Like why are you so angry? Like I want to ask a red ant. Like I wish I don't want a life-size red ant. No fucking no way. I'll slit my own throat. Like no shit. Like standing out in front of them as if like I'm from the movie Predator and that red ant is going to look like the Predator. Genuinely. But yeah, like if I could interview an ant, I'll ask a red ant, why are you so angry? Like kya hua? Like what happened? Like who did you all dirty like that? I think you know what? We all fucking as kids वैसा black ant को अपन भगवान का ant है, God का ant है bro. Don't kill that ant. God का ant है नहीं? कौन बोला God का ant है? Which God came and told you, motherfucker, this is my ant? Who said that? What nonsense do you mean by God ka ant and red ant? I think that's what happened. That's why red ants are so angry. They're always angry. Like I would ask them, like, "Kya hua, bro? Did these black ants do you dirty? Like, is it a race war, bro? At the end of the day, y'all are just ants, man. Y'all are out here. Like y'all are hustling, man. Like people are, bro. Have you seen those videos of people pouring molten aluminum in ant hills? Dude, that is as satisfying as those videos are. It's harsh, dude. Like I mean, I'm kind of heartless in that department, but it's like fucking heavy, dude. Like that's not nice at all. Like you're literally, and it's got like millions of ants, right? And in one split second, all of them are like evaporated. You know what I mean? Like I don't think if you break the aluminum, you will find. Like ants, like obviously not like ant carcasses also you won't find. They're just like evaporate. I think they're just bits and pieces of their like fucking. You'll find a little bit of carbon and shit like that. Carbon-based life forms. You'll find that maybe. But yeah, it's apart from that. Like, fuck, bro. Those videos are heavy. But yeah, coming back to it, I think like black ants and red ants. Like I think God can't. I think they did them dirty, bro. And I don't think that's fair. Like red ant lives matter, bro. Come on. But do you know what? There's a crazy fact. Why it like itches, when they bite you. When red ants bite you, they release something called formic acid. So for any other small creature, formic little bit of formic acid जो अपने में ज़्यादा अपने लिए कुछ नहीं है, but that much formic acid is quite a bit for other like smaller creatures that might want to fuck with a red ant, right? Like I think ladybugs eat like red ants and all. I think that much formic acid will fucking scare the shit out of a ladybird. So if in the odd chance red ant manages to fight off a ladybug with like that bite, I think like that's a good defense. That's a good defense, bro. Like it's wild, dude. How these how queen red ants work and shit like that. And if you put in a new queen, um, the entire like ant hill. I don't know what a swarm of ants. What's a collective noun for ants? I don't know. If anyone figures out, then please message me. If you have reached this part of the podcast, do message me. Yeah, a collective noun for ants, whatever that is. I think a bunch of ants. Let's say for now. If you put like a new queen, the whole like gang will first test her out, meaning like are they okay with her being the queen? If they aren't, they will all eat her up and then wait till there is a new queen. Like it's that fucking wild, bro. These guys are out here, bro. Like they're fucking like, I don't know, man. It's kind of heavy, dude. But on that note, there's a lot of garbage talking, and I guess that's the point of the show. Anybody listening to this on any audio platform, if you want to watch me, and for fucking, I don't know, I wouldn't want to watch me if I was you, but if in the odd chance you do, go watch it on YouTube. You can see me like I'm just sitting in my room and chatting, just looking into a webcam. So in the odd chance you want to see me do that, maybe feel like you're in person with me. I think I'm down for that. Actually, whenever I like look into the camera, I feel like I'm talking to a person. Like that's how I at least talk. So like just yeah, go check it out on YouTube and do at least go subscribe, man. Like maybe I don't know, like maybe you'll enjoy watching me. I guess in the future there'll be some cooler shit on YouTube that I'll put out. But anybody watching this on YouTube, if you do not want to watch my ugly mug, it's on every other platform. But all of y'all, go follow me on Instagram. I don't post a lot, but I am very cool. So yeah, go check it out. I'll see you all next time. Thank you. Bye bye.